Welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I do grilled corn on the cob. So we're doing grilled corn, so first things first, let's get our grill fired up and heating up. There are a number of ways to do this. You can do this in the husk with the hairs removed. You can do this wrapped in foil, or you can do it bare, basically just the raw corn and throw that on the grill by itself. I'm gonna show you how I do this. First thing, we're gonna take our corn already shucked, and then I usually put a little bit of butter on there. And then I season with a little bit of salt and pepper. I rotate it while I'm dropping it on there. The next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a little bit of chili powder on there. You'll see why here in a minute. We want a little bit of heat on this. I actually vary the seasonings that I put on here. It's good to experiment, try new things. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the sweet on here. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of honey over the top. Rotate it around, and then we're going to finish this off with this little bit of fresh lime juice. And then we wrap these guys up. So to wrap them, I usually leave a little bit of a pouch at the top. These are basically going to steam inside. So I just leave a little grab pouch. And that's that. And now we're ready for the grill. Grill's all heated up, so I'm just going to place these on here over medium heat. I'm going to leave these on, and we're going to rotate them about every 5 minutes or so. Total cook time should be about 20 minutes. Looking to, obviously get them cooked through, and ideally we'll want to get a little bit of char through the foil onto the corn. All right, these have been going about 5 minutes or so. So I'm gonna come in here, I'm just gonna rotate them a little bit. And I'm gonna do this, I wanna try and, rotate about a quarter turn or so. And I'm gonna do this probably 2 or 3 more times. Again, total cook time is gonna be about 20 minutes. I'll come back and see you guys when we're ready to take them off. So we've been on here about 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and get these suckers off. All right, so now that we're done, you want to be really careful opening these up. They're going to be pretty hot. And there we go. That's kind of what we're looking for. Not burnt, just a little bit of char on the kernels there, and all that flavor's been absorbed into them. There you have it, folks. This is the way I like to do grilled corn. I vary the seasonings from time to time. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, how you guys do it, what your preferences are, how you cook it. Anyways, enjoy. Thank you.